What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the biggest stories in the crypto world, the potential settlement between the SEC and Ripple. This isn't just another legal headline. It is a development that could completely reshape the future of XRP and maybe even the entire crypto industry. So what's really going on, and what does it mean for you? Let's break it down. First, a quick recap. For years, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has been in a legal battle with Ripple Labs. The core of the argument was whether XRP, the digital asset, should be classified as a security. The SEC said yes, arguing that Ripple sold XRP to fund its operations, much like a company sells stock. Ripple, on the other hand, maintained that XRP is a commodity, a digital currency used for facilitating cross-border payments, not an investment contract. This legal limbo created a huge cloud of uncertainty over XRP. Many major US exchanges, like Coinbase and Kraken, delisted or suspended trading of XRP to avoid potential legal trouble. This cut off a massive market for US investors and suppressed XRP's price compared to other major cryptocurrencies that were enjoying bull market rallies. Banks and financial institutions that were considering using Ripple's on-demand liquidity service, which uses XRP, also hit the pause button. Nobody wanted to build on a foundation that could be declared illegal. Then came the landmark ruling from Judge Analysts Torres in July 2023. This was a huge turning point. The judge ruled that XRP, when sold to the general public on exchanges, is not a security. This is what's known as a programmatic sale. However, she also ruled that when Ripple sold XRP directly to institutional investors, those sales did constitute unregistered security offerings. It was a split decision, but the market took it as a massive win for Ripple and the XRP community. Following this ruling, we saw an immediate and dramatic impact. XRP's price surged as exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and others quickly moved to relist it. The legal clarity, even though partial, was enough to bring back confidence. This meant US investors could once again easily buy and sell XRP, instantly restoring liquidity and trading volume. So what happens now with a potential settlement? Both the SEC and Ripple are set to discuss remedies for the institutional sales portion of the ruling. A settlement would mean both sides agree to terms to end the lawsuit for good, likely involving Ripple paying a fine. Why is this so important? A settlement would remove the final piece of legal uncertainty hanging over Ripple. It would be the official end of the war. For investors, a settlement would likely be a major bullish catalyst. It signals that the worst is over. With the legal drama in the rearview mirror, the focus can shift entirely to Ripple's technology, partnerships, and the real-world utility of XRP. It removes the legal risk discount that has been holding XRP's price down for so long. For exchanges, a settlement solidifies their decision to relist XRP. It gives them the permanent green light to offer XRP trading services without fear of future SEC action. This could lead to even more products, like XRP futures and other derivatives, becoming available on US platforms. And perhaps most importantly, for banks and financial institutions, a settlement is the ultimate seal of approval. The primary barrier for using Ripple's ODL network was regulatory uncertainty. With that gone, companies that were hesitant to adopt the technology can now move forward with confidence. We could see a significant acceleration in partnerships and the real-world use of XRP for cross-border payments, which is its core purpose. A settlement would validate Ripple's business model and could pave the way for mainstream adoption by the very institutions it was designed to serve. In short, a settlement isn't just about ending a lawsuit. It's about unlocking XRP's full potential. It provides the legal clarity needed for investors to invest, exchanges to list, and banks to adopt. While nothing is guaranteed in the world of crypto, the end of this long legal battle could finally allow XRP to be judged on its technology and utility, not its legal status. This is a story every crypto enthusiast should be watching closely. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on a potential settlement? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.